Hi there. Welcome back to the second episode of the Niche Marketplace series. In the first episode, we all saw that John's glasses broke, and when he went to Amazon, he bought a t-shirt instead. Next day in the office, Kevin, John, and Jennifer are working. They all receive promotional emails from general marketplaces, Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. The normal marketing mail, you know. But no one pays attention and don't even open the mail. After some time, John gets an email from a niche marketplace for glasses. Since he was searching for glasses, he had subscribed to such a marketplace. He opens the email and checks out the offers and goes to the website. Maybe he purchases a product, maybe not, but he surely paid attention. That's the advantage of marketing in a niche marketplace. The audience size is specified and so is more effective. The marketing cost in a niche marketplace is less because of its defined audience as compared to the general marketplace, giving a high return on investment. Since the buyer persona is known, a better CTR in the niche marketplace is always achievable. Take a step towards building a niche marketplace close to your heart. Do follow the series and know more about niche marketplace. Think niche marketplace. Think TRooTech.